What's up, guys? My name is Andy Nordstrom, and this is Technique Enhancement. Today we'll be going over our final pull movement, that being the pull. Alright, pull-up is going to target your biceps, your serratus anterior, your obliques, your rhomboids, and your infraspinatus, and your erector spinae. Now for the grip on a pull-up, you're going to have your arms on about a little outside shoulder width length, and you're going to have a pronated grip or having the knuckles facing towards you. Once you're ready to conduct the lift, make sure your legs are straightened out, and then focus on pulling the bar towards you rather than pulling yourself up and above the bar. The exercise is finished once at least your chin gets to above the bar. When you're conducting this exercise, make sure to avoid swinging back and forth with your legs. Many times you'll see people doing pull-ups in a gym and they'll be swinging their legs back and forth. This creates momentum that will help drive yourself up and above the bar. This is counterintuitive to what the exercise is meant for. It's meant to work your arm and your shoulder muscles. Now, if you're having trouble pulling yourself up above the bar, I suggest using a resistance band under one foot as seen here to pull yourself up easier and allowing you to work the muscles still, or using a machine in a facility as seen here. Another variation you can do for stability wise is to cross your legs during the lift. Crossing your legs is going to add more stability towards the middle of your body. It's going to work your core a little more, and it's going to take a little pressure off the arm and shoulder muscles. Another variation to pull up is the chin up. Now during the chin up, you're going to switch your grip on the bar to where your hands are having the knuckles face away from you. This is going to target your arms and chest more rather than your back muscles and shoulder muscles. Now, if you're looking to focus on your lat muscles more, otherwise known as your back muscles, I would switch to a wider grip on the bar, as this is going to put more pressure on them when you are moving up during the pull-up. Lastly, if you're having troubles with the supinated and the pronated grips, you can switch to a neutral grip if there is that type of bar in the facility you are using. A neutral grip is going to have your hands, their knuckles are going to be facing towards your right and left. The pull-up is going to take some practice and time to learn how to do it efficiently, but you'll get the hang of it in no time. This has been Andy Nordstrom with Technique Enhancement. We'll see you guys next time.